Hi guys, my name's Doug. Welcome to my messy garage. In today's video, we're going to be looking at another potential Jeep project. And this is one that's a little closer to what I'm looking for. It's a 2001 Jeep TJ, but this isn't a good candidate. Follow along and see why. Thanks for watching. This one is a 2001 Jeep TJ. It's got a automatic transmission in it. Has air conditioning, CD stereo, 124,000 miles. It's got some big tires on it here. The size isn't jumping out at me, but definitely they're larger than a 235. This has the 6-cylinder. It's the sport model. It's nice and clean. Pull strap for the door is broken. The upholstery is pretty nice on the seats. It's got a sound bar installed. One problem with this one though is, and it's obvious in the pictures, is the frame is all plated. Yeah. The frame has been cobbled back together here, and it is not a well done job. Basically, if someone wants this Jeep, they're going to have to strip all of this crap back off of here and rebuild the frame properly, or get their hands on another frame. And I don't know how well that shows up on the camera, but the muffler is rotted out. There's also some cancer at the back here. This is all rusted out behind the rear wheel. That's a common place where Jeeps have issues. And up here at the front, they can also have problems. You see the steering stabilizer is completely rusted. And the cross tube is rotted out on this as well. Six-cylinder, reasonably clean. A little bit of rust blistering here on the top of the fender. That's not unusual. I guess these TJs quite commonly rust out here. Well, let's see if it starts. It's running a little rough. Starting was a little on the slow side. Definitely the battery is getting a little long in the tooth. I don't think very many people have been running this thing, but I'm gonna put the seatbelt on and take it for a little run. I'm gonna switch cameras here so that it's easier to hang on to while I'm driving. The ride is pretty nice, really. It's not as bouncy or choppy as other Jeeps that I've been in. Directionally, it's a little bit, you know, kind of, you got to work at it a bit to keep it straight on the road. And hitting bumps, I can hear those tires are rubbing on something. With the size of the tires they got on this thing, I'm pretty sure it needs an inch or two of lift. the 6-cylinder engine, I'm quite happy with the acceleration. Gets up and goes. Well, most definitely it is not a V8, but for a little inline six, that gets up and goes. The automatic transmission, me personally, I'd prefer to have a manual, but I'm quite happy with how the automatic seems to behave. 13,000 or whatever they're asking for this is pretty rich with the condition of the frame. We're closer to what I'm looking for in a Jeep, definitely. The 89 YJ that I looked at with the 4-cylinder in it, yeah, it's in better shape than this, but it's a much older machine, and for the price they're asking for it, I think the TJ is a better handling option. But this particular specimen is not the right one. Rubbing tires, cobbled together frame. This isn't a good Jeep.